In a world that's always changing, staying prepared for the unexpected is more important than ever. Welcome to the future of survival gear. In today's video, we're showcasing the 10 coolest survival and tactical gear you must see. These cutting-edge gadgets combine the latest technology with unbeatable practicality, offering you an unprecedented level of security and preparedness. From innovative fire-starting devices to versatile multi-tools, each item is expertly crafted to equip adventurers, preppers, and outdoor enthusiasts with everything they need to thrive in any situation. Get ready to elevate your survival skills like never before. Introducing the Territory Tents Jet Set 4 Hub Tent, your ultimate camping haven for outdoor adventures. This rugged shelter is built to accommodate up to 4 adventurers, offering hassle-free setup and spacious comfort in any wilderness setting. Crafted with a durable polyester shell boasting a UV 50+ rating, it's your shield against sun and rain. Get ready for quick and easy setup with the innovative Jet Set framework, allowing you to pitch your tent in seconds, no assembly required. Standing tall at over 6 feet, you'll have room to stand and move freely inside. With a generous 94-inch by 94-inch floor area, there's ample space for a queen-sized air mattress or 4 cozy sleeping bags. Equipped with a removable rain fly for added weather protection and ventilation, plus tub-style flooring to keep water and pests out, the Jet Set 4 Hub Tent ensures a comfortable and organized camping experience. So grab your gear, stake your claim, and let the adventure begin. CANWAY Flannel Sleeping Bag. For any outdoor enthusiast, a quality sleeping bag is a must-have for a restful night after a day of adventure. Enter the CANWAY Flannel Sleeping Bag, the ultimate companion for hikers, campers, and travelers. Meticulously crafted with comfort and convenience in mind, this sleeping bag boasts a construction of 230-thread polyester surface material and hollow cotton filler, ensuring softness, comfort, and skin friendliness. With dimensions measuring 82.6 inches by 31.5 inches, there's plenty of room for movement, allowing for freedom and comfort during sleep. The separated bottom zipper provides ventilation options or allows for sticking out feet, enhancing its versatility. Plus, with a temperature rating of up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll stay warm and cozy even in chilly weather conditions. Featuring an innovative 2-way zipper system with a zipper guard, entry and closure are a breeze without the worry of snagging. Whether you're camping in cooler temperatures or enjoying milder climates, the CANWAY Flannel Sleeping Bag ensures warmth and comfort throughout the night. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. 5.11 Rush 24. Introducing the 511 Rush 24, your go-to rugged bug-out backpack designed to conquer the most challenging outdoor expeditions and survival scenarios. Crafted from ultra-durable, water-repellent 1000D nylon, this backpack is built to withstand anything nature throws your way. Featuring a contoured yoke shoulder strap system and web molle for enhanced comfort and versatility, the Rush 24 ensures maximum mobility and ease of use in any situation. Its military-inspired design, complete with the signature centerline, not only exudes toughness, but also offers adaptability for survivalists on the move. With a plethora of pockets and web molle for convenient access to essentials, along with hidden CCW and rear hydration compartments, the 511 Rush 24 is the ultimate choice for those preparing for any survival situation. Don't settle for anything less. Gear up with the 511 Rush 24 and face the great outdoors with confidence. Prepared for X Survival Torch. Introducing the Prepared for X Survival Torch, a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of emergency fire starters. Meticulously crafted with a focus on efficiency and reliability, this torch sets a new standard for preparedness. Despite its sleek and lightweight profile, it boasts exceptional durability, thanks to its premium aluminum construction. At the core of the torch lies a high-quality ferrocerium rod, capable of igniting flames with unparalleled precision. The 36-inch wax-infused hemp fire starter rope ensures over 3 hours of uninterrupted burn time or countless single-strike applications. Crafted with thoughtful innovation, the curved steel striker effortlessly sparks life into the most challenging conditions. Resilient against the elements, this torch defies water, wind, and weather, remaining steadfast even after enduring a night's rain. Elevate your survival game with the Prepared for X, where ingenuity meets unwavering resilience. Experience ultimate comfort and durability with the Dowinx Double Camping Chair, perfect for survival and outdoor conditions. Featuring a wide 40-inch seat and a 19-inch high backrest, this chair offers essential support and stability when you need to rest. The adjustable armrests and thick padding deliver sofa-like comfort, helping you conserve energy during long periods outdoors. Weighing just 12.8 pounds, it folds compactly into a carry bag, 37 x 11 inches, making it easy to transport on camping trips, in emergencies, or survival situations. The double-seat design promotes close communication, essential for teamwork in challenging environments. Equipped with insulated cup holders, mesh pockets, and wine rests, it provides practical storage for gear and essentials. Built with durable 600D fabric, it supports up to 440 pounds, ensuring it withstands tough conditions. Elevate your survival experience with the Dowinx Double Camping Chair, where comfort meets reliability in the wild. Are you ready to light up the night like a pro? Look no further than GlowMind Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Sticks. These glow sticks are incredibly portable and lightweight, unlike traditional lights, making them an excellent alternative. With 12 sticks in a single pack, you'll never be left in the dark. Not only do they make great flashlights, but they can also be used as markers or signals for help. They have a shelf life of at least 4 years, so you can prepare once and be good to go for a long time. The bright green color is easy to spot, and they can withstand rough conditions. Moreover, these ultra-bright sticks will provide bright light for up to 12 hours with their waterproof capability and stay illuminated without any hassle or interruption. Just bend, snap, and shake, and you'll have light in seconds. These glow sticks are a must-have for any adventure seeker or emergency preparedness kit. Aqua. Introducing the potable Aqua Pure Electrolytic Water Purifier, your dynamic solution for clean drinking water anywhere, anytime. Harnessing mixed oxidant disinfectant power from a simple brine solution, this compact marvel swiftly purifies even the toughest water sources. From camping to emergencies, it blitzes viruses, bacteria, giardia, and cryptosporidium, annihilating 99.9% of microorganisms without the hassle of pre-filtering or pumping. Effortlessly select your water volume from 1 to 20 liters with intuitive ease. The rechargeable battery, powered via USB or solar, paired with built-in salt storage, simplifies the purification process for on-the-go convenience. Ideal for outdoor escapades, travel, and disaster prep, it even sports a built-in flashlight for extra versatility. Weighing just 3.8 ounces, it's your go-to for staying hydrated and prepared. Ensuring safe drinking water is always on standby. Get ready for adventure with the potable Aqua Pure Electrolytic Water Purifier, your ultimate hydration hero. Introducing the Holtzman Survival Pen, an indispensable component of their survival kit gift set. This compact yet powerful tool can make a huge difference in emergency situations. With the Holtzman Survival Pen, you can cut through seat belts and smash car windows, set traps in the wilderness, ignite fires, build shelters, and much more. This outdoor survival kit includes a meticulously crafted 12-in-1 survival pen, a tough and versatile paracord, and a comprehensive 30-piece stainless steel survival card, packed with essential items like a compass, flint rod, glass breaker, survival whistle, flashlight, and fish hook. This pocket-sized survival tool ensures you're prepared for the unexpected. Crafted with a solid and long-lasting design, The survival pen fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, ready to help you navigate through challenging situations with ease. Timex Command Shock is a tough, military-grade watch designed for durability and precision. It features a black 24mm resin strap, adjustable to fit wrists up to 8 inches, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. Built to ISO standards, this shock-proof watch can withstand harsh conditions, making it ideal for demanding environments. The Command Shock offers a 100-hour chronograph with lap and split times, as well as weekday and weekend alarms with a 5-minute backup. It also includes a 24-hour countdown timer with stop and repeat functions and a dual-mode alarm with both vibration and audible alerts for tactical effectiveness. With the ability to track 3 time zones, a hydration alarm, and 24-hour timekeeping, this watch is a reliable companion in the field. The Indiglow light-up display ensures visibility in low-light conditions, and with water resistance up to 100 meters, it's suitable for snorkeling and swimming, combining toughness with practicality. ZUNE LOTOO Cross-Border Knife. Meet your ultimate ally for combat, self-defense, and survival situations. The ZUNE LOTOO Cross-Border Knife. Crafted with a full-tang D2 stainless steel blade and G10 handle material, this knife is built to conquer the toughest challenges. The D2 stainless steel blade, coated for anti-corrosion protection, ensures long-lasting durability against the elements. With its robust blade and solid steel construction, it provides the strength needed for critical tasks in crucial moments. For those seeking a resilient blade with premium steel and exceptional cutting performance, the Cross-Border Knife stands out as an outstanding fixed-blade survival tool. Whether you're navigating the wilderness or facing unexpected threats, trust the ZUNE LOTOO Cross-Border to have your back when it matters most.